Names have been redacted here, but every time you see a green circle, that is denoting that it's coming from a single source. It is tested as one single assembly. It comes with one single warranty. So this one in particular is an opaque glass Rainscreen system. This part, this panel that's hanging is prefabricated to shop drawing specifications. And then everything from the attachment profile back is going to be field applied. I want to point out that this is calling out the air and moisture barrier as part of the system. It is calling out any profiles as part of the system, all of the screws. These are things that normally would be third party. So it's all coming as one fully tested system. And this is what you can do with that. This particular design would be a challenge to execute if you were working with multiple manufacturers. But because it's one manufacturer, it's one point of contact, they know their load tables, they know their capabilities, they're able to engineer this on their end. So they're taking the responsibility for their own stuff.